Hello, this is Sophie Dawson from sophiedawson.com, and this is another unboxing video where I unbox various art books, magazines and comics and graphic novels. And this one is there's about 10 comics in here, and I think one is a graphic novel. And I've forgotten what most of these are, but I know that one of them is a Vampirella. So let's get into this one. So Bonny the Bunny's with us today. She's cool, she is. She's a new girl for 2023. Very cute, I think. And she was actually a present from YouTube viewer Jean. So thank you very much, Jean. What I like about Bonny is her ears. She's got these big ears. Plop! But let's get into this. So I've forgotten what most of these are. So little Bonny's going to sit over here. All I'm going to do is I'll just open them up and see what we've got. But the only thing I will say is I always get a little bit scared opening up these, because I feel like I'm going to sort of... I never really know how to open them up. I always think I might actually damage the comic or something. I think this one, the best way to do it is to cut the edge. Imagine if you cut the comic. Oh look, they got it's an envelope within a thing. Most of these are from eBay. Actually, I think they're all from... Well, one of them is also a Forbidden Planet grab bag as well. What's this one? Dun, 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 dun. Let's have Bonny do the reveal. What have we got here? Oh yes, this is issue 2 of Love Everlasting, but it's actually it's quite a rare cover, this one. And the reason I'm actually, one of my goals is to collect all of the Love Everlastings. So far I've got issue 1 and this is issue 2, but the reason I wanted this one is because my job is a cleaner. So I thought it's cool, but I love that. I will say Love Everlasting has some of the most beautiful covers, so I can't wait for that one. What's the next one? I've got a feeling this one might be the Forbidden Planet one. Oh, see, I feel like I'm actually digging into something there. The best way to do that is go... Like I say, I always say this, I'm not sure if I should really keep in this bit. Oh, this one's been packaged up very tightly. That's what I'll say. See, to me, I feel like it's packaged up too tightly, and there's way too much chance of damaging the thing, in my opinion. That's what I'm thinking. But what you got to do is you've got to sort of... It's a bit like a mission opening these up. So by the time you get into it, you're going to probably damage the thing. You've got to be a bit forceful but gentle at the same time. Yeah, that sounds a bit rude, doesn't it? Well, hopefully this is going to be... Oh, yay! Here we go. What's this one? Little Bonny has to do that. Look, we've got a little button here, look. Pop. Oh, hey. Oh, I'm gonna have to do some editing now to get rid of the blurriness. What's this one, I wonder? Oh yeah, this one. This is well, firstly there's a little advert thingy. So that's obviously where I got it from. But look how beautiful that is. Issue number 1 of Shang-Chi and the 10 Rings. That's an Artgerm variant. So I've actually seen this artist, Artgerm, before. Artgerm. I'm not 100% sure how to say it. It's Artgerm. I just think what a beautiful cover that is. Very sexy. So this one looks like the Vampirella one. It's got Vampirella written on it. This one should have come ages ago. I ordered this one probably about 7 or 8 weeks ago. And because what happened was, in England we had a strike going on with like Royal Mail. So a lot of parcels and stuff took ages to get here. I hope this is Vampirella because I've been excited for this one for ages. Yay, look. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, I'm telling you, they do. If I was sending a comic in the post, I wouldn't do it like that. I like it when it comes out backwards. Yay! Oh look, they put it in a. It's Vampirella, so I've actually got all 3 of them now. This is not the one. This isn't the. What it is there's a Vampirella, a Red Sonja, and a DJ. I can't say her name properly. I'm not keeping it in that bag. But an artist, I can't remember the name of them, but they did these beautiful covers, and unfortunately I couldn't get the Vampirella one, but I thought this one was quite beautiful as well. Because I like the art style of that. I think she's a cool character. And these are like little one-shot stories. So you can just... Look, how beautiful is that? Yeah. So I like one-shots because you can sort of just read it for a couple of hours and then you're done. So you get like for me, a one-shot's like a film, and then all the other ones are like sort of a TV show. You've got to invest in it. And sometimes you just want to sort of, oh, this is brilliant. I'm going to read this. The Unknown Omnibus. This is volumes 1 and 2 of The Unknown. This is going to be brilliant. So what happened was, look how beautiful Catherine is. What happened was, I thought I had the whole lot, but I didn't. There was a second season sort of thing. Oh no! Oh, that's not nice. So I believe one of these is the author, one of these is the artist. So they must have died. Oh, that's a shame. Look, at the back you get covers. Oh, look, you get to see all the covers. I can't wait for that. Well, this one here I think is the, that must be the Forbidden Planet one. Oh, and that's made me quite sad, that has. And this one is, yay! This is a variant cover of Harley Quinn Uncovered. This is another one shot. So what happened was, I saw this in the comic shop, and in the comic shop they had this one and the regular, and I got the regular one, but I couldn't stop thinking about this one. And Sam in the comic shop, he said that this is actually a homage to an old, I think it's an Infinite Crisis issue. Yeah, it's got tomato sauce, look. So it's quite cool. I imagine if you had sort of already experienced the original comic, this would be even more cooler. But what I've done is I've gone on to eBay, and there's quite a lot of comics that have actually copied this cover. Like, I think there's a Deadpool one. There was another one as well. But I would definitely recommend this comic. It's full of Harley Quinn, what are they called? Covers. Comic Bizlet. I kept that on there because on eBay I've noticed they've got a lot of good deals, like really quite cheap. And look at that, look, at the back, plop. I thought that was quite fun putting that on there. For me, this is the best way to package a comic is like in one of these, because it's easy to get into, but you get enough protection. That's what I'm thinking. I wonder what this one is. It's coming out. Yay! This is another one that I saw in the comic shop. Silk issue 1. I saw in a comic shop and I just bought a load of comics and I thought I can't spend any more money. But again, I went home and I couldn't stop thinking about it. And when I went back, they had sold it. So I found it online. What I like about this is the composition of it. It's just cool. I think she's really sexy. And also, because it's an issue number 1, it means I can potentially get into this one and enjoy the story. I just think she's cool. And again, Sam in the comic shop said you don't very often see that sort of detail in characters' faces. So it's quite cool, it is. I don't know what this one is, but this one's a bit flimsy, look. Bonny's got us in straight away. I wonder what this one is. Oh yeah, my Street Fighters. These are old Street Fighter comics, look. Issue 1 and 2. Yeah. How cool is that? I bet the poster's not in there. Oh, the poster's still in there as well, look. I'll tell you what I love about this is it's got that old comic book paper. Look, you've got an advert for Nintendo there, probably Super Nintendo. So these were out in the 90s. 1993, look. Chun-Li. I hope Chun-Li's in here, because I actually... Oh cool, it's got some stuff in the back, look. She's nice. I found some Street Fighter comics in the comic shop. Yay, Chun-Li. Cool. I just thought they were cool. And this is what I'm liking, I'm liking the fact that there's loads of video game comics. Because basically, growing up, I was addicted to video games. So since I've stopped playing video games, I can sort of enjoy video games via comics now. So this is Forbidden Planet. So there's a grab bag in here and there's a comic as well. But I can't remember what the comic is. So the grab bag has a X-Force in it. Oh yeah! Look at this, look. Gun Honey issue number 1. I think this is like the second set. This is like a sequel, Blood for Blood. But I think this is another Artgerm. Yeah, look. It's another is it Artgerm? What a beautiful cover that is. Now when I bought this, they also had a metallic one of this as well, where like her outfit was all metallic. I think that was £40 though. And they also had a virgin variant without that. But I sort of thought to myself, I like the text being on there a bit more. I think it looks kind of cool with the text being on there. What a beautiful cover that is. And the thing is, again, I feel like I might actually get into this. If I like the story, I might get into that one. So this is a grab bag. 4 comics for £2. The first one we've got is X-Force, which is quite funny because I recently watched Deadpool 2 and it actually had X-Force in it. And then we've also got a Savage Avengers. Neither of those 2 covers really excites me, but there's always a chance that the ones inside might be. This has got a sort of Street Fighter vibe to it, that one. So what have we got here? We've got X-Force issue number 6. It got like a bit of comedy in it, this one. Yeah, she's nice. See, I would have liked it if she was on the cover. What a cool character she is. Now that's Doctor Strange, isn't it? I'm just getting into comics, so I don't know the names of anyone. Which is actually quite fun. Hey look, we've got Wolverine. That's quite cool. I like the art style of that. I like the presentation of it. 06 X-Force. She's nice as well. It's got some cool looking characters in there. I'm going to turn it over like that. So we've got Savage Avengers, issue number 21. That's well, I don't know, but yeah, Ghost Rider. I like the art style of this one. Look, that's quite nice. That one. I Walk with Monsters. I wonder what this one is. I Walk with Monsters number 1. I actually like the sound of this one. It's a shame it's issue number 5. So I'd like to have had issue number 1. Oh, I like the look of this one. Oh, it's a shame that's not issue number 1. And then this one we've got Plop. Hey, Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, issue number 8. That's quite cool actually. I like the way they've done that, look. Nice paper on this one. Boom. Yeah, I've always noticed that Boom have nice paper on their comics. And I've noticed that Marvel, that's not bad, that one, but they normally have really cheapy feeling paper. I want to see what the art style's like. That's quite cool. Nice bright colours, look. It's like each character gets their own colour. That's quite well. It's not the most amazing grab bag I've had, but I'm interested by this one. I'm interested by that one as well. I'm interested by all of them, but I don't think any of them have got amazing covers. Not like some of these. That's a beautiful cover. I can't wait to read these ones. Yeah, these are my sort of covers, look. Sexy female characters. That's what I like. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at, it was an unboxing of some comics. And Bonny the Bunny, she'll be coming back for some more. I'm going to try and do these probably every couple months or something. When I get some comics. It's quite hard though, when you buy a comic and you get it gets delivered and you gotta sort of keep it there. You're not allowed to open it until you've got more of them. I hope you enjoyed this, and I shall see you later for another one. Yeah, I enjoyed that.